Hi my lovies and welcome back to my channel. It's DramaticMAC here, or Ashing if you're brand new. And I am going to be doing a massive haul today of Pretty Little Things clothing, and I'm really excited to unbox this or open this. I just want to first off say thank you so much to Pretty Little Things for sponsoring this video. I am blown away by the amount of goodies you guys sent me. Thank you so much for the clothing, and I can't wait to see all the bits and bobs. I did get to pick these items out myself, but I thought you guys might want to see them because there is so many items here. I'm going to do a lookbook video, and that is going to come up very shortly, and also all the clothing, and that will be sponsored obviously. So in this video I'm going to try and add little snippets of what the clothing looks like, but I will put a picture up of what they look like. But if you are interested in seeing how to style all the different pieces or how I'm styling them, I will do a lookbook video, and I can't wait to do it because there's so many cute bits in here and I can't wait to show you guys. Let's start. I have two massive Pretty Little Things bags, and doesn't everybody just love when they see the pink unicorns come through the door? I know I do. I get so excited. Pretty Little Things is one of my favorite shops at the moment. I'm going off to my friend's wedding in Santorini very shortly, and I've just been like on Pretty Little Things constantly picking up little bits and bobs. It's super affordable, and I love the website. So let's start off with the first thing here, which is what is this? A black distressed denim jacket. I remember some of these products as well, guys, so that's what's going to be so exciting about them. Also has buttons up the front, and it's distressed, as we can see, so it's kind of like ripped jean material, ripped denim material, and it has a little button on the sleeve obviously, and the back of it is distressed and ripped also. I can't wait to style this. I got mine in a size small. I will write down the sizes of all these products, so that's what that looks like there. Oh my god, can't wait to try that on. I love denim jackets at this time of the year, especially when they're oversized. They just look amazing. So the next thing I have here is the black plunge long sleeve open thong bodysuit, and I got this in a size 6, so that's what it looks like. It's just a thong bodysuit. You can see it kind of like wraps over on the front, and it has long sleeves, and then the back part of it is kind of open, so it has like a low back. No, that's not what I'm trying to say. The back stops like mid back, if that makes sense, so the rest of your body is kind of like revealed. So I will obviously try on these things so you can see them a bit better. Next I have a white tie front strappy swing dress. Oh my god, this looks so pretty on the model on the website, and I was like, I need that for Michelle's wedding, because Michelle's wedding is, like I said, in Santorini, but it's going to be on a Saturday, and then they have like an event on the Friday and then something else on the Sunday as well. So I kind of need cute like dresses for the time when I'm in Santorini. I thought this would be perfect. How do I open this? The front part, it ties, as you can see, and then obviously your body is exposed here, and then it's a swing dress, so it kind of has like a little slit in the front, and it's kind of like swingy. How do I even describe that? It's like a skater style dress, and I just love the style of that. And I got that dress in, again, a size 6, and I'm very happy with the style of that, so I can't wait to see what that looks like on. That's so pretty. That would be even really nice with a denim jacket here in Ireland, because obviously Ireland's a little bit cooler. Although we are having a fabulous summer so far, it is like a little bit on the cooler side, so I can't wait to try that on. Next I have a belt. So this is what the belt looks like. It's just a plain black belt, but I needed a new black belt because all my other black belts are just, I don't know, they just don't look great. I just wanted a plain square one, and yeah, that's why I got that. There's no more self-explaining involved in that product. Next I have another stripy number. This is the white pinstripe paper bag skinny trousers. I'm so excited for these. Loved these on the website again. I got a size 6, and when I saw them on the model I was like, I need them. So everybody knows the paper bag style. It's kind of like ruffled at the top, and then it has like a string that you tie onto the front, or you can tie it on the back, whatever way you want. And then they're long skinny trousers. I love the look of these. I love black and white stripes, especially when they go up and down across your body like that, because it just makes your legs look even longer than they are, and that they go on for years and years and forever, and just makes you look like you've really long luscious legs. Anyway, moving on from that, the next product I have in here is a cream straw pom-pom clutch bag. When I saw this, I was like, this is perfect for holidays. It is so cute. It's just a little pom-pom envelope clutch bag, and it's like a straw style bag. they're all in this time of the year, so it's enough room in it there for stuff. But I thought it'd be really nice, again, around the time of Michelle's wedding, that I just bring this with me and just like jazz up an outfit with the little pom-poms in it. It's so cute. So the next thing I have in here is a rose gold link choker. Again, I saw this on the website. I was like, I need to have that in my life, and has loads of little hearts on it. It's so cute. So when you wear it on your neck, it's just like little hearts. I got loads of lovely chokers from Pretty Little Things over the years. Like, people always ask me where I got my chokers from. Pretty Little Things chokers are some of my favorite. So we have some dusty blue contrast panel cycling shorts. I just love the shade of baby blue and the grey panel down the side. I just thought they were really, really, really nice. And obviously they're cycle shorts. But again, they're easy to style. I feel like they're the most convenient, easiest to wear clothing item, because they're just so comfy, and you can wear them with like a baggy t-shirt and even high heels and make them look well. Or you can wear them with a crop top or a cropped hoodie and they still look great. I love them. I got them in a size 6. And I'm sure they'll fit perfectly. I'll try them on later. I'll try on all these items. Next up, I have this pineapple dress, which is called, this is the white pineapple print frill wrap tee dress, and that's what it looks like. It's so pretty. So it kind of like wraps around the front, and then it's like a can type style dress, and it has medium length sleeves. I love the sleeves in it. They're not like a t-shirt, they're more of like a bell sleeve, and I just love the style of it. I love the pineapples on it. It just screams holidays to me, and I love the way there's like a frill on the front. It kind of adds a little bit of design to it, as well as a frill on the bottom of the dress. I just think it just really like makes the dress look a bit more interesting. Okay, next in my bag of goodies, I have this dress, which is a sage green printed long sleeve wrap dress. This I might wear on the first night of Michelle's wedding weekend, so I might wear this the day before the actual wedding, because I just thought this looked really nice. Sage green color, it has flowers on it and long sleeves, so it'll be perfect because that's going to be going on the evening time. Because I'm not really sure of the weather in Greece. Like, I know in Spain sometimes you do need a jacket in the evening time, not all the time but sometimes. It opens up at the front and you wear it as a cross up, and then the back of it is just plain, like it's high, we'll say, on the neck. It's just like a swing dress material. It's not really tight to the body, well, not that I could see from the website, and it kind of has this little ruffle that overlays on the front, so you can see that there. Okay, next up I have this dress. This is a white satin front cut shift dress. I love these dresses in the summertime. I think that you can make them look really girly, or you can make them look real kind of like biker chic if you wear like a leather jacket and boots or something with it. It's a crossover dress at the front. It kind of is like very angelic or something. It goes into a really deep V, but it doesn't show your boobs, like from what I can see from the model. It has these lovely kind of loose sleeves, but it comes with, we'll say, ties on it, so you can tie the sleeves in tight. And the same with the dress itself. It has a little belt around the middle part. It's elasticated in the middle just in case you are worried about your belly or anything like that. And like I said, it has a little tie on it. But I would probably use this black belt, you know, to place around the middle of it, just to kind of style it a bit differently. It feels really soft, and I can't wait to wear that and style that. Okay, up next I have a shirt. This is the white satin striped shirt. I remember this from the website because I was dying to try this. It's just a plain shirt that opens obviously at the front, and then you button it up, and it has long sleeves with buttons on them. But I thought maybe I could like make it a little bit shorter and hook it underneath, not hook it, but like tie it underneath your boobs, and just have high-waisted jeans with it. I just thought it'd be really nice. So I just love those types of shirts. It's not too sheer, like you can't see my hand through it, so you don't have to wear like a top underneath it, but I'm sure you could if you wanted to. That is in a size small, just if you were wondering. Next in here I have this camel striped bat wing frill hem play suit. This is so pretty. Again, this is going to be worn in Santorini because I'm possibly going to stay probably for 5 days. It has like bat wings sleeves, and then the front of it looks like that, so it's a low cut, and then the short parts of it are frilly. How cute are they? Oh my god, that's so cute. It's elasticated again on the waist, and then the deep V, I'm sure you could wear like a little top underneath, but I'll probably wear it like that and just put a bit of body tape on. But I love the bat wing sleeves, and I love the little ruffles on the shorts. I think they're so cute, and it's a really unusual color for me. I usually go for like black and white. I just thought the camel color would be really nice against tan skin, and you could wear like brown sandals with it, or white sandals with it. You could even wear like a little white coat or something like that over the top. Next up I have the petite white Brooklyn Extreme crop, and this looks like that. So that's what that looks like. So it just says Brooklyn on the front. It's a round necked cropped long sleeved sweater, and it just says, like I said, Brooklyn on the front. I got this in a size 8. I wanted this one to be a little bit oversized. I didn't want like a size 6 where it's kind of like tight in your body. Like, I like these cropped sweatshirts like that to be kind of oversized. So that's what that looks like. Next up is the Bella Black slinky high-waisted cycle short. Probably have another pair of cycle shorts in here as well, because I think I got 3, but these are different to the grey and blue pair because these are like a slinky material. Anytime I buy the skirts off Pretty Little Thing, I like them to be like that slinky material, really soft against the skin. And I actually think that Brooklyn sweatshirt and those cycle shorts would actually look so cute together. So they are in a size 8. I always like to get the slinky material in the next size up, because you know the way it's really fitted to your body. Pink cropped cord oversized trucker jacket. When I saw this on the website, I was like, this has to be mine. So this is what it looks like. It's just a pink cord trucker style oversized jacket, and it has sleeves with a gold button, and I love the collar on it. I love the color on it. Let me just try this on. I got this in a size 6. Now obviously it doesn't really go with the top that I'm wearing underneath because it's a bit busy, but like with a white top or something, I just love the style of it. The sleeves are long on it, so you can see that there. You could like pull them up or something like that if you wanted to. They're just a really nice style. Oh my god, I love this jacket. I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the video. I don't even care. I love it. These grey slinky high-waisted cycle shorts. So these are probably exactly the same as the black ones. So that's what they look like. They're a longer style, the grey ones. They're more like knee length and thigh length. Kind of wanted a couple of different styles of the cycling shorts, like some a little bit longer than others. Next thing I have is this nude bandage square cotton neck bodycon dress. This is like a peachy shade, which I think looks great with a tan or nude if you want, and it's just a scoop neck on the front, and then it's just bodycon and long. It has like ridges down the front. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it just looks so pretty. I just love these dresses, and again, you could wear this in the summertime with a black belt and your black oversized denim jacket, or whatever you want to wear. You can wear it on a night out with a lovely pair of heels. It's just a basic nude dress that I absolutely am loving. Okay, next up I got this grey jumper, and I got this to go with my cycle shorts, the ones that are grey and blue. These ones here, I thought this was like a nice little combo outfit. So this is what that looks like. It has a low front on it. It's kind of like into a V, and it has a ruched, or what would you call that? Elasticated waist. It's cropped, but it kind of sucks you in, I suppose, elasticated. And then big sleeves on it too. So I thought that'd be really nice with the bicycle shorts. Just the combo of the grey marl and the baby blue, just really nice. So my final 2 items are actually the same thing. They're a black and a mauve dress, and they're the exact same material, same style dress. So that is what that looks like. It's real slinky material, but the dress comes over your knee, so it's a little bit longer. And I just loved the style of this again on the model. I thought it was really cute, and these are really affordable, these dresses as well. So I got it in that shade there, which is kind of the same as my little trucker jacket. Then I got it in the black also because I thought that the black slinky dress would just be really nice either for a night out. Again, it's long, just over the knees, or you could wear it with this like trucker jacket and you could just style it whatever way you want. So those basic dresses are always like well worn by me because there's so many different things you can do with them. And yeah, I think that completes the entire haul. There is so much stuff. Thank you so much, Pretty Little Things, for spoiling me rotten. Like, I just can't believe it. So I'm really overwhelmed with Pretty Little Things, and I want to say a huge thank you to them for sending me out all these clothes and sponsoring today's video, and I'm just so overwhelmed and happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed this little haul and this little tiny try on. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really loved filming it for you. I hope you are having a fantastic day, and I will talk to all you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys!